Hi guys, it's Michy again. I'm back and I'm here to do this look. So if you're interested in this look, stay tuned. Let's begin with the eye tutorial. So I went ahead and did my face first. Never done this before, but I'm happy with the outcome. And in today's video, we're going to be using the Naked 3 palette, and I thought I should do a look with a little bit of pink tones. So I'm excited. As always, I'm going to begin by priming my eyes. I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to set my primer with the black opal loose powder in the shade Deep. When using this powder, you have to be very careful. I'm using a brush to pick up the powder and tap off the excess powder, and I'm just gonna press it on like so. The Naked palette, I don't have a transition shade, so I'm going to go into the Morphe palette and get a transition shade there, and then after we move forward with Naked 3. I'm going to take the shade. I'm going to take the shade Slight and use that as my transition color. It's quite a little bit dark. I'm just going to do wiping motion. I guess I underestimated how pigmented Slight would be. This will be the first video with shimmer shades. I don't know if it was a good idea to do my foundation before doing the eyeshadow. So I guess we're going to find out. Since I've already started with dark shades, I can't really go with a lighter shade. So I'm going to go and I'm going to start with Factory. I'm going to take Factory on a fluffy brush. And then I'm going to put it on the outer crease. You might not see this in the video, but I really take time to blend. Okay? So when you're doing this at home, take the shade on the outer loop. So if you kind of picking up the shades as I go. I really don't know what this is going to be. For the outer view, I'm going to take a more precise brush. So for the outer view, we're going to take that side. As long as you blend and really blend to avoid harsh lines, it looks good. Personally, I must say, I haven't posted many videos, but I feel like with every video I'm getting better, because with every video I am practicing my makeup skill, and it keeps getting better and better. I can see the improvements also in the technique that I use with my brushes and all that kind of stuff. I've seen myself improve in comparison to the first video that I did and posted. I'm feeling very little concealer and a very precise brush. Just put it down. Just for the record, at the beginning I didn't know I was going to do it. I should first set this before things go haywire. I'm just using the music brush to come with the palette, and I'm just going to set that fast. Blend. Then I'm going to take a shade with shimmer. I just wet my brush to try and pick up more product. And we're going to take a very light shade, and that will be Limit, and we're going to put Limit right there, right there, there. Bad. It's not what I was going for, but it's what we've got. I don't know about you guys, but I think I'm going to leave it like that. Guys, I'm back. I have a lash extension, so I'm just gonna comb them through. Like so. For the lips, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Color Stay Ink Crayon in the shade. It's called 20. Enjoy the view. So I'm going to use chestnut to line my lip. So with this makeup, ladies and gentlemen, I'm already outside my comfort zone, just to say the truth. I feel quite strange like this. Then maybe we're going to take a lip gloss, something shiny. Shining. I'm going to add the Morphe lip gloss in the shade Sass Act, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in. So ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. That's the complete look. So if you like this look, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. And feel free to share this video. If there's any way you can maybe give me tips where I can improve, please feel free to write in the comments below. Otherwise,